Asem Yi Di Ka, Asem Yi Di Ka.
Onhyire nyina no onye nyina kese. Omo yakoma so ade nyina emremu emfama yen. Nyame nhyira ya ban. Ya ban tonkoso enya osorosoro akwankyere. Hunumu ne ntiase wa mamuo mu. No to before man kodu pempen so aye nyina hwerim se beduru da bi. No man timinya kono mfama yen nyina ne yekoso ntrem fa anigye. Ensom o man medin de akwasi ensia Asem Yi Di Ka bre na edusumeka on the 14th of December February. Thursday 14 February 2025 Thursday at the Foda Adom 106.3 FM so the chira wodo ye fa the shock odo bro to be nyina se pacho odofo bia pese afi ye shocking on Thursday at the man your voice note uya fanyum kakrata ato na se ne fabre number we so 0531 003 813 0531 003 813 na etie na hwensem aka na nyima tachire na ne atwuso dofo no ne ahye na monyam on your behalf wona so Asem Yi Di Adom 106.3 FM 2025 shocky odo ebro Ghana Ace Commission omni UNFPA you fresh drinks also drink better live better consider some message na yentietie ye be fa no ne apeke ne a shocky ne do e di abanum so kikwo na no pay yam said no unfortunate incident be ACE na it looks as if say after the Ghana ems about to cross here twem cause ye be kwa about to be another be ntokwa say dey be si dia dem be better say bedu bebre be appoint nipa bebre ye be appoint man pani say dey appoint ministers say dey ntokwa bi anu akire asundwe betimi aba ba men chiro I think one documentary bi a ye nwanam joy for a year about enura Council of State about to year e course Council of State eye bedwaku a ewo man emu. O my Ghana amamre tintim no 1992. Ne nkrabata to so adwo otwenkron article 89 na abode ese wo say yempa saa bedwaku no. Na saa bedwaku no enya futu bedwaku fama mampani ya Ghana fo ato aba edi ayinuo. Tomade omo ye nyina so mutu mampani ne fo. Enyi mampani kwa sedwafo ehia futu bi a omde mo se ko basa temu adwumako no so ehia futo bi a omde mbom afemu nyina omu hia empre nan abrosu a abe be se mprenum depend on said mampani epese ode futo no ekon ba de ba ko so omu se o mafuto no mutu no enya hye emfa mampani ti mampani pa obefa mampani pa omfa saa na amamra no ama ho kwan ena saa nipakuo be se adwenu enso be se 27 to 29 no mampani wakonya so epa mu 11 which constitute about 45% of the entire council. Afro akane to aba edi yomo from the various regions. Every region be ano. Ye di ku efri wo eba. Na se na abato no pe article 54. Se abato komisa wo akonya so betimi initiative sa abato ehye no. Ene se akonya beba ma assemblies no obia be yi nkrofo mienu ye frem delegate omne kwoto aba on my behalf minim no nipa kwoto aba on my behalf say akwasinsia ene kwoto aba de ayobi as Ashanti regional rep on Council of State no minim no but assembly na me free say bia Asante Mampong municipal assembly no omepa onipa mienu no akokuma se no aka awfro ho no mato aba ade a kire nipa Asante Mantamu nyina e pa on se o magino manemu entu mampani efo efisha 9 edi edem sa de course enura ene se no bi ante kukumu bi ante jame ko wi akire macho mena Council of State abato for the first time Council of State abato for the first time share video we by Joy News.
The police team deployed for the election was led by the Ashanti Regional Commander, DCOP Frank Abrokwa. Some of the officers were stationed at the entrance of the residency of the Regional Coordinating Council where the election was held. They screened and turned away persons who were not accredited to be at the premises. It was the first point that our cameras caught the thugs who were challenging the authority of the police. One of the 12 candidates for the election, Frederick Ejay, explained the EC restricted delegation of each of the candidates.
Because the EC made it clear to us that each aspirant should come with 4 agents, and the 4 agents, they are going to be allowed to enter the premises. So I don't know where. I even came around and I saw the metro men around. I don't know where they came from. I don't know how they were able to enter because, you know, a lot of policemen were around. I mean, security personnel were around. Even my driver, they didn't allow my driver to enter. And I accepted because the EC said 4 people together with the candidate is going to be allowed to enter the premises.
The thugs were later seen at the inner perimeter where the election was held, though they had no accreditation. Former Municipal Chief Executive of Obuasi, Oforiajiman, was seen with the thugs. They approached the candidates' tents to offer handshake to the NDC Regional Chairman, Nana Kwesi, and another candidate, Yao Obimpe, a former chairman of the party. It was at the sorting stage where these thugs disrupted the process. It is alleged the NDC former chair, Yao Obimpe, was losing the election, leading to the disruption.
In the course of the...
Okay. Council of State Abatuo. Yeah, nipa ekoto aban sebi enyalo sebi mu sebi okronto. O kan delegate nyina bu betimi atomo nyina akwa hye kire. E wa Ashanti region. Council of State Abatuo. E na macho men nyina abamu. Council of State Abatuo for the first time. And to question here. I make sure you be your Angel FM. But mama Angel FM a report and a picture no. Report and put here no. Council of State Abatuo. A journalist here ko na djuma. Onyaka fra wate. Council of State Abatuo. Hwe semtwe ni ko na djuma hwe nanim. O mind ben ye chiche ni san. Your mind bay. And now you see your friend man penny so your medra. Because you got to about na person ni pew. Your face and casabi yaku yanim dear, and can you see any more? But look as if the Ghana dear, your recycle beans. As you recycle your challenge, you know, the beer. It's your first and to send a chinchina about says. We complain about 2020 elections. 2024 year. Council of State 2025 also and also year. Hey! Oh my baby. Asem pani asem kwada nwen. Oh my baby. Council of State Abatuo. Ya sure macho men. Akugu Council of State Abatuo ase. Why? Why? Omano eye hawo. Omano wo hawo. Ye de niema e di agro. Sebi sansem huna ekoso ya batu awdomu a ekoso ne e di no. Ye de niema e di agro. Merika Kachoda said, there are some people sitting on the fence watching us. They just want a small slide. Then they will set in. Because some of them even don't understand why I say, oh my God, and that's a cool we are still surviving. Some even don't accept it. Sebemi who kwai masebi and some hunu sebi. A plunge your man into such chaos there. And say nara. And it's a shame unto us. Council of State Abatuo, me send ni pe kwatu abano, ye betimi amomo, e de amo nyina ahye yachi. And so to kwesi. You are looking for to Interior Minister. Ono Mohammed Mutala. I or papa as was say MP Mutaka mom the picture we are waiting for you because now you are tibedekuo ya catch the IGP say abatu akwaso abasaba says no wonye muhwem we are looking out to the interior minister. Why na this am betwomani ko Ashanti Regional Coordinating Council why na so am ko honum odo mu ko so mu ko akoye den ba bia wonni accreditation wontimi enko no eye den na metwomana omini accreditation etimi wura mu why na mo sa kwan no ni present training kwa wo ko baka tiro nyase man hye de bia na beto ade abobi na mesa ko pre no no baka no network. And this brings us to our discussion say Medica as a council of state no with all due respect me fa so bie ne so mo man no eye kahunu kwa na ga na ebo mo council of state eye kahunu kwa eye ka sebio emfa so bie ni so. Why do we pay people to go and advise a president? Yeah, or no before power one fa. And we are paying each member about 13,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah, that's what and to member. So in a year, Ghana spend about 4 million Ghana cedis only on their salaries. Cause on them maye, fu beto dia mo maye. Meanwhile, politicians be a political party be na a winning abaton or winning on the records of the political promises. Man penny mama by what pound advisors. Why do we need another advisors? On mede dear man. Dear pa na council to be dear mama penny. On mede. Fabrico graphic online. Former President Kufo scrap Council of State. Nyam na make. This is a former president. Yeah, why enjoy the advice of Council of State too? But was saying, Council of State, no, young chem, mind your line. Shall you mind your line so? It's a graphic about President Kufo. Man, mind your line so. Let's see a penny pipe back on so so eka. My joy line. Any family, mind your line. Let them patch Fabwa, top wa, scrap Council of State, mind your line. Oh, click a hem more. Close way. Nam chame minimre. Close in time, data. Good. Scrap the Council of State. Professor Bafo Ajmeju or Yejmo UN. Or Yejmo United Nations. Me say a kahunu. Sebia nyalo sebia bru sebia kronto e fa so bia ni Council of State ni so e kakeke no man ga na ebo. We can't pay people to advise or beer or what option to accept or decline. And in fact, why do we even conduct election? To select people who go to Mampenifo. Huh? Ne kwatu aba na sab na tafu kwatu ho hia no ene dey. Ye tu aba wie because 55% no eso free outside. Ye tu aba wie na sab bia nya o se na tafu na twa no hia no ye ne dey. Professor Johnny Vance Atamos Constitutional Review Committee no yem say ambo so but cause a committee no accept say ye maintain no ye nyanyima mpanu tumi bi free nsam ne ye fa free nipa 11 no appoint no to fight efa so bia maso ye twa ne nyina mu. Ni save that 4 million Ghana cedis na ye di twa Council of State members every year kano ye services kano e be bi dia mai me di dia kwasensia o mai ne kwabra sa tena bedwa fo e krado e de pese mu eto aso Asem Yi Di Ka background.